Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your KeyPay employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in keypay.yourpayroll.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official login portal for your KeyPay employee account. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your KeyPay employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can also click on the Forgot My Password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your KeyPay employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.